Hello students. Have you ever wondered why the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree? Is there any other way around? Can we have some of the angles more than 180 degree? No, we cannot have. And we may end up with some other figures, but not with triangle. So in a triangle, as you can see here, the sum of interior angles is always 180 degree. If I'm changing one angle, either way what I'm doing, I'm either increasing or decreasing the other angles so that the sum always remains 180 degree. See, in this case, I'm changing the angle A, and accordingly the other two angles adjust. Okay, whatever I do, the angles, the sum of the angles will always be 180 degree. Either I can increase B or I have to decrease the angle A and C. See, in this case I'm increasing the angle B and I'm decreasing the other two angles to make the sum 180 degree. Okay, same is with the other angles. If I'm increasing the A, I'm decreasing the other two angles. Yeah, or it can be any other combination. Either I'm increasing one or decreasing one, or increasing two angles or decreasing the one angle. It can be anything, but one thing is always constant about triangle is the sum of interior angles is always 180 degree. Have a look at this concept in a different way. Suppose I want to draw a triangle. Okay, so first thing is I'll draw one side of a triangle. Suppose this is the side of a triangle and I have made it as maybe like 8 centimeter. Okay, maybe 8 centimeter, some fixed length, and then I decided to make one angle as, let us suppose, maybe 60 degree. Okay, let it be like 60 degree, and another angle I decided to make maybe 45 degrees. Okay, then if it's a triangle, then I have decided only three things. The first thing is I decided was the length of one side. This length I decided, and I decided these two angles, one as 60 degree and one as 45 degree. I decided only three parameters: one side and two angles. The rest thing is automatically determined. Like now the triangle, I cannot determine the side of the other two sides. It's automatically fixed, and this angle is also automatically fixed. Yeah, so for a triangle I can only decide on three parameters. I have only three parameters to decide on the triangle. The rest is then predetermined. Let's take another example. Suppose again I decide on one side, that one side of the triangle should be like 5 centimeter, and then one angle would be maybe like, it would be 60 degree, and the length is 7 centimeter and the angle is 60 degree. Then the other parameters, what are the other parameters left? Is this side is already predetermined, and these two angles are predetermined. Yeah. So what I decided about the triangle was one side, two sides and one angle. Two sides and one angle. The other, this side and this angles were predetermined. Okay, so there are only three parameters which we have to determine for a triangle. Yeah, that's the case. And that's the case always.